Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, in this video I'm gonna come with the newly arrived beautiful print exclusive collections. Yeah, I'm gonna shocking you that this is the sections where the starting range of Kesaria Textile Company will be start. Just at the rupees of 61 rupees, you will be get this kind of lycra item. I'm gonna showcasing you. All are saying just 45 rupees starting, 61 rupees starting. They are not showing that product. So I'm going to showcasing you that these kind of lycra product, yeah, you can call the screen available number. They will guide you and confirm you that these kind of the concepts you will be get at just the range of 61 rupees. But what if the condition that you have to purchase in a set wise? So guys, apart from the lehenga, all the variety you have to purchase in a set wise. Yeah, it's the mandatory here that you have to purchase in a set wise. Each set, each designs will be get to 6 to 7 different color shades with the investment or according to your taste preferences or your native area. So guys, in this video, just like our first collections, you will be seeing this kind of variety. See, talking about the print, the fabric will become either it will be the chiffon or either it will be the georgette. And talking about the pallu, you will be get these kind of beautiful designs in the pallu, and I'm gonna opening full saree in front of you, like say these kind of variety, and these kind of beautiful unstitched blouse also you will be get. And talking about the length, 6.30 meter length you will be get in each kind of sarees. Guys, I'm gonna showcasing you one by one. Any of the concepts you will be like, please take the screenshot and send it to the screen available number. They will give you particular range also. See, next one in these kind of beautiful items in the maroon color concepts, these kind of beautiful flower digital concepts in the fabric of either it will be the chiffon or georgette, that kind of the fabric you will be getting here only. See, in these kind of unstitched blouse you will be also get. So guys, many of the variety, now I'm gonna showcasing you that how many sets you will be get in this kind of variety. Like these kind of barcode systems you will be get in this kind of concept. 6 to 7, 8 different color shades you will be get in each kind of variety. 8 pieces, and what will be the ranges you will be get in this kind of mention. Like these kind of the ranges you will be get 225 or 250, that kind of ranges you will be getting here only. So guys, whatever the product you will be liked, please take the screenshot and mention in this kind of concepts. Next one in this kind of very beautiful Turkey silk concepts. The ranges will be either 250 rupees or 200, that kind of ranges you will be get in these kind of concepts. All the sarees will be opening in front of you guys, so no worry about any of the cheating or fraudulent or any of the concepts or any of the little damage will be not having in our saree. Either it will be exchangeable also. These kind of unstitched items also you will be getting here only. See, next item you will be get in this kind of variety. See, in this kind of variety you will be get all the concepts. See, with unstitched blouse you will be get. Talking about the ranges, either it will be the Poonam sarees or some of the brasso concepts or many of your taste according preferences areas or native area. For them also we are manufacturing here, and it's not possible to cover all the varieties and collections which are available in our section. So I'm just showing only the samples only. Last but not the least, in these kind of very beautiful concepts you will be get. See, all the sarees will be opening in front of you guys, so the trust gonna be built between us. For them, I'm gonna showcasing all the sarees with the opening concepts. See, so guys, in this video, that's all. Many of the varieties I think you want to be liked, and if you are interested to do your businesses with us, then please contact the screen available number. And we are having many of the sections, departments also. 20 to 25 different ladies wear sections are waiting for you guys. There will be no need to go 10 to 15 different shops. Just visit once in a while Kesaria Textile Company. So guys, till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम।